Google call ads getting clicks but not getting calls. Yeah, this is a common problem. And I think it's one of the most asked questions as well, that I get clicks on my call ads, but I don't get the calls. You need to look at your ads, why people are clicking on it, and then abandoning the call. Make sure that your ad is targeted to the right keyword. So people who are looking for that particular keyword. So if somebody's looking for an emergency locksmith, then make sure that your keyword has got emergency locksmith on it. Your ad has got emergency locksmith on it. So the keyword is on your ad as well, and that will increase the number of calls because it's super relevant. Avoid broad match keywords for sure if you are getting that, because it could be that a lot of irrelevant clicks are happening on your ads. So the way I would do go about is go into your search term report, look at your search terms, find a good list of negative keywords to start putting them in at account level. And if you are running on broad match keywords, then try phrase or exact.